Gwesty'r grof na Haws Llundain, lle mae'r paratoadau munud ola yn digwydd ar gyfer 15fed seremoni Gwobrwyo Cylchgron Empire. Seremoni Gwobrwyo, lle mae'r enillwyr yn cael ei dewis gan y darllenwyr. Cyfle i Gwobrwyo rai o ffilmiau gorau'r flwyddyn gan gynnwys Avatar, District 9, The Hurt Locker, Sherlock Holmes a llawer iawn mwy.
Film of the year, blimey. I have to say I'm embarrassed because I didn't see Avatar.
I have seen Avatar.
Yeah? What do you think?
I like it. It's Dances with Wolves with blue people.
Avatar.
I like Moon.
I quite like Hurt Locker.
I love District 9. I really love that movie. I thought it was extraordinary.
I thought The Hurt Locker was incredibly well made, although after about Bomb 4, I was like, really? Another one?
Can I teach you a bit of Welsh?
Well, you know, I'm half Welsh.
Are you?
Yeah, my dad's from Swansea, and his dad's from Swansea. Unfortunately, I can only say Yaki Da.
Do I know any Welsh? I think no, I was going to say I drove through Wales, but no, I don't think I did. I think I've seen it on a map. No, I don't think I have, actually.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you very much.
What have I just said?
That is, thank you very much.
Oh, right, great.
Mewn biswari am yr I brio ar gas bod I sgrafo Johnny bach.
Diolch yn fawr.
Well, there's no need to be like that.
Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Oh, diolch yn fawr iawn.
Dwi'n di gari di.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr, exactly. What does it mean?
Thank you very much.
Okay, diolch yn fawr.
Thank you, dude.
Cheers.
Thank you. Waw, ni'n gwybod bod dim deal o Gymru. Wel, hanner o Gymru, ond na ni. Diolch fawr. Dwi wedi cael cyfle i gwrdd â rai o'r celebs ar y carped coch, ond mae'r seremoni ar fi'n dechrau, felly amser i gwrdd ar enillwyr. Na ni, Noson Gwobrwyo Empire 2010 ar ben Gwobrwyo i Avatar, Sherlock Holmes, Andy Serkis ymysg eraill. Gwobrwyo Empire, mas nawr.